soya chunk cutlet. Today we are going to make soya chunk cutlets. The ingredients are breadcrumbs. The ingredients are fennel seeds, red chilli, dried, cumin seeds, clove, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, black pepper, and other spices. Next ingredient is soya chunks, 200 grams. Boil water and pour into the soya chunks. Wash and squeeze out all the water. Take the boiled and cooked soya chunk, which has been put in boiling water and taken out, and all the water has been drained out. Now this has to be ground in a grinder. The next set of ingredients are tomato, garlic, ginger, big onions, boiled and peeled potatoes. The boiled and peeled potatoes have to be mashed into a mush. Heat the pan and put in the spices, chili, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and salt. Salt for 1 to 2 minutes until the spices start giving off this scent. Take the ginger and garlic in the grinder and grind it into a paste. Now take the big onions and put it in the grinder to make a puree. The onion has been finely ground. Now this can be transferred to the plate. Now put in the tomato and the spices and the red chili with the fennel seeds and cumin seeds into the grinder. This also has to be ground. The tomato and the spices have been fully ground. This can be transferred to the plate. Now the soya chunks can be put in the grinder to be ground into a paste. The soya chunks have been ground into a paste. This can be transferred to the plate. Put the potato in the grinder to make a mash, or this can be done manually. Now we are doing it in the grinder. Take some of the mashed potatoes and the mashed soya chunk. Put in the ginger garlic paste and the tomato and spice paste. Do this. Put in salt to taste and mix the potatoes, the soya chunk, the tomato spice paste. Take part of the mixture and make it into cutlet shaped balls. Do that with the rest of the mixture. Take small parts of the mixture and make it into cutlet shaped balls. Dip the cutlet shaped balls into the breadcrumbs so that they are completely covered in the breadcrumbs. Put in the cutlets one by one into the heated oil. And fry for 5 to 10 minutes by turning from side to side. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes. This is the final soya chunk cutlet. Very tasty and easy to make cutlet, which tastes almost as good as chicken or meat cutlets.